The tankless heater is a great option for people that are looking for continuous hot water. If you find yourself with your family where you're running out of hot water, where when you're in the shower you have to wait for it to heat up, this is a great option. Never runs out of hot water. It's continually circulating it, and it's a great option for you. Another good thing about the tankless water heater is it's more efficient than a regular tank heater. We have a lot of people that call us when their tank heaters have gone down and they'd like to upgrade to this. It's a great upgrade option. Give us a call at Cure All Plumbing. We'd love to come out and look at it at 480-895-5858.